Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script to get CompXM Guide, the best CompXM guide with helpful CompXM tips to get 860 to 960 strategic guide to excel in the CompXM Simulation Practical Handbook for MBA students and business simulation participants. Introduction. CompXM is an intensive, capstone-style simulation assessment used to evaluate students' ability to apply strategic decision-making across core business functions including R&D, marketing, operations, HR, and finance. Achieving top-tier results, 860, 960/1000, requires a structured approach, data-driven forecasting, and effective cross-functional coordination. This guide presents a comprehensive strategy for excelling in CompXM, supported by tools such as customized Excel models for sales forecasting and production planning. Preparation and resources. 1.1 Simulation Overview. CompXM consists of 4 decision-making rounds and 5 quiz sections. Participants compete against 3 AI-controlled competitors, each focused on specific market segments. The goal is to outperform all competitors in cumulative profitability, market share, and financial efficiency. 1.2 Excel Forecasting Tools. A dedicated Excel tool can be used to input values from the Industry Condition Report, ICR, forecast sales volume and production capacity, monitor and update product positioning, track segment drift and customer preference evolution. Inbox tray. Download links, full Excel toolkit, insert link, capstone forecast file, insert link, email support, mbahelp2002@gmail.com. Core Strategic Framework. 2.1 Product Strategy, R&D, launch 4 new products, 1 per segment, thrift, core, nano, elite, near the ideal customer preference points using the drift values, O thrift, plus 0.5 perf, minus 0.5 size O core, plus 0.8 perf, minus 0.8 size O nano, plus 0.8 perf, minus 1.1 size O elite, plus 1.1 perf, minus 0.8 size. Update existing products each round to stay aligned with segment expectations, ensure product lifecycle timing aligns with market readiness, launch in early year 2. 2.2 Marketing Strategy. Maintain high awareness and accessibility with promo and sales budgets, $1,500 per product, adjusted based on saturation. Use Excel-based forecasting to estimate demand per segment. O formula, segment demand times growth rate, times product survey score divided by total market score. Adjust pricing based on competitive positioning. Consider small reductions, e.g., minus 50 cents. To enhance value proposition. 2.3 Operations and production. Add capacity for new products, 500 units initially, scale production by adding 10 to 12% to forecasted sales to prevent stockouts. Increase automation gradually. O thrift, 6.0 O core, 5.0 nano and elite, 4.0 or higher in later rounds, up to 9.0. 2.4 Human Resources and TQM. Allocate $5,000 and 80 training hours per round in HR. Allocate $1,000 across 10 TQM initiatives to improve reliability, reduce material/labor costs, and enhance customer satisfaction. 2.5 Financial Management. In early rounds, O maximize stock issuance and long-term debt, e.g. Round 1, $39, 125 stock, $14, 722 loan. In later rounds, O begin retiring stock and reducing long-term debt. O maintain minimum cash balance of $20,000 to avoid emergency loans. O consider paying moderate dividends, e.g., $8 per share in round 4. Round-by-round execution plan. 3.1 Round 1 Focus, product development and capacity setup. Add 4 new products. Allocate new capacity. Set automation to minimum viable level. Use Excel to calculate forecasted production. Finance via max stock and long-term debt. Expected outcome, moderate sales, initial investment. Heavy round. 3.2 Round 2 Focus, launch and scale new products. Update existing products. Positioning. Begin selling newly launched products. Increase capacity. Agape, COR2, NAN2, ELI2, increase automation. Target thrift. 8.0, TQM, fully fund all initiatives. Expected outcome, sales spike, $270 million. Net profit increases, $20 million. 3.3 Round 3 Focus, Market Leadership Consolidation. Continue product updates, adjust prices to remain competitive, apply aggressive marketing spend, increase automation for efficiency, begin retiring debt and issuing dividends. Expected outcome: peak sales, $270, 300 plus, net profit 40 m, strong contribution margin. 3.4 Round 4 Focus, Optimization and Final Performance. Boost final product updates for alignment, stabilize capacity, no further additions, maintain max automation, Thrift 9.0, Core 8.0, Others 6.0, retire long-term loans, $22,000, reduce equity, maintain buffer cash, $20,000, expected outcome, sales 310, 335 m, net profit 50, 62 m, contribution margin 48%. Summary of key insights: functional area, strategic priority, R&D, align with ideal spots, add new products, early marketing, competitive pricing, high awareness, forecast-based spend, operations, preemptive capacity, automation, scaling, HR and TQM, full investment each round for long-term gain, finance, front-load funding, back-load debt repayment and dividends. Final notes and support: achieving top performance in CompXM requires accurate Excel-based modeling, consistent strategic alignment, careful timing of decisions, proactive financial planning. Email for personal consultation and full Excel templates. Email behelp2002@gmail.com. Appendix: Simulation support options, service description, fee, round 1 and quiz 1, email-based guidance, free full simulation, 4 rounds plus 5 quizzes, strategy file and support, $40, 1 hour Zoom coaching, live walkthrough, $50. Good luck and strategic success in CompXM. Maintain focus, use data wisely, and outmaneuver your competitors. Fastest support TO, get top results $9.99, email behelp2002@gmail.com, blog https://capsimguide2021.blogspot.com, free Excel file for all 4 rounds, download from blog or send the email, online quick support Q&A equals WhatsApp equals https://bit.ly/3silp9u, whole game support equals $40 for 4 rounds plus 5 quizzes, support equals top results.